Look at that thing. And then all right, I have from Hansshow today. It is the Power Frunk kit for the 2026 Model Y. That's the new redesign. Doesn't really look that intimidating. I'll go over some of the parts. This isn't like a full install video, but it is going to be just a kind of general review, and I will go over some of the install process, just a quick overview, and then show you it working in the end and how well it's performing. So, all right, just to go over some things in the kit, here are your power hydraulic struts. There's 2 of them, 1 for each side. This is your lock. This thing wraps around the existing lock to determine when it opens and closes. This is the motor that kind of initiates the power up and down feature. And then this is your wiring harness here. This is the main brain in here. That's going to be your power control box kind of thing. That's what tells everything what to do. Then we got a few brackets here for the power struts. And we have this is like a wire fishing tool, so you can like slide this in and pull wires through holes and stuff like that. And then it comes with a little thank you card, and it also comes with a card for an installation video and installation manual. All right, so this isn't going to be an install video, but first I just want to go over briefly the steps. First, you pop your frunk. You're going to remove this piece here. This is just held in by clips. And then you're going to remove this piece here, which has 4 bolts. So there's 2 there, and then there's 2 under the floor right there. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to pop this out and disconnect this, and then we'll be back. All right, so here we are. We've got the tub out, the plastic out. Very easy. Once you just remove those bolts, it just lifts right out. Next, we're going to remove this one and that one over there, and then we're going to lift this out. This is kind of like the air intake for your HEPA filter. So we're going to take that out. All right, so I removed the existing piston struts that were the hydraulic struts that were there, and did that on both sides. And then we're going to install the bracket and the new ones. All right, so we've got the new hydraulic pistons on both sides. If they're hard, you don't really need a tool. You just got to press hard. If you can't get it on, just try lowering the hood just a little bit. Maybe it's just like not in 100% alignment. And then, yep, got them on. So now we're going to start working with this front lock mechanism, and then run the wires and test everything. All right, so we installed the Power Frunk. Just want to give you a quick rundown of what is involved. So you have to replace the 2 hydraulic lifts, 1 on each side over there. Not really that difficult. Then you have to replace you add this piece onto the existing trunk release. So, and before you remove your trunk release, you want to mark where it is, because you want it to go in the exact position that it was in. Otherwise, it could cause issues with your trunk opening and closing. But not an issue if you just take some kind of pin and mark where it was before you remove it. And then when you add this piece onto it, this is the piece that goes with the Hansshow Power Frunk. So you attach that to it and then reattach everything back to where it was. As long as it's perfectly aligned, everything works great. So then after that, all you do is connect all your wires up. So you have a wire coming from that lift, a wire coming from this lift, a wire that goes into the trunk release, or the frunk release here. You have a control module that we wrapped and hid behind this little frame here. And then there is a vacuum that we mounted and put down behind this thing. And then you just plug in all the wires, and it's very simple. They're all identified, like A into A. So you see D7, A, D8. So it's all identified, and the instructions tell you exactly where to plug everything in. Very simple. And then we just tie wrapped and kind of did some wire maintenance to make sure everything was secured and out of the way, because then you want to put everything back in. You want to put your tub and plastic and everything back in. So that is where we are, and overall it's pretty easy. The hardest part, I think, putting those things in, the little hydraulic lifts, but not very difficult at all, and so pleased with the results. And before you put everything back together, you want to test it, make sure everything opens and closes correctly. You don't want to put everything back together and then have to take everything back out to fix it. All right, so we finished the install on the Power Frunk from Hansshow, and I wanted to say this thing is awesome. It's really going to allow us to use the frunk a lot more, get a lot more usage out of the frunk, because before, you didn't want to deal with popping the frunk, and then you're always careful when you closed it because you didn't want to dent your hood. You press too hard and you don't slam it and all that stuff. So let me say, this is going to greatly improve the usage of our frunk, and I recommend it to everyone. You don't need a separate app. Everything is in your existing Tesla app. You just hop in, and you know how you have the frunk button, you can open and close it there or unlatch it. Well, you hit that same button. Boom. And look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful, quiet, smooth. Now once you put your stuff in, you can use the little button. If you have a little button there, you can use that little button and it will close it. So you can set your groceries in there, push that button, walk away, and it closes. Or you can hop in back in your app and close it there. Just press the button. See how it shows it's open? Just press it. Boom. Boom. There it goes. Look at that. And watch how nice and smooth that closure is. That's beautiful. So highly recommend this. You don't need an extra third-party app. All integrates with your Tesla app, just like it was straight from the factory. So highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. More videos coming soon. See ya.